Hello and welcome back to the word study videos. Today we're going to take a look at Words Their Way, Green Sort 13, where we're going to continue to talk about syllable junctures. So syllable junctures, again, are when two syllables connect in a word. So I want to quickly review last week's rules, where we had VCV words, where the first vowel was the long vowel sound. And then the VCCV words had the short vowel sound. We're going to continue to look at these two words. But if you'll notice, in our VCCV words last week, we had the two C's were all the same. So P, P, N, N, P, P, T, T, N, N, P, P, B, B. You get it. In this week's sort, we're going to have VCCV words that have the double of the same consonant, and we're also going to have another category where there's two consonants, but they're actually different consonants, but it still follows the rule where it will be the short vowel sound. So let's take a look at, first we need to get our title. So we're going to have more syllable junctures, or where the syllables in a word come together to meet. And you also need to put today's date in the top right-hand corner. Let's go ahead and pause the video so you can get that done. Okay, so this week we have 4 categories. We have the VCV again. Remember, the VCV is going to be the words with the long vowel sound. So I'm just going to put long. We're going to have VCCV, and we're going to call this one the doublet, where the consonant is the same. These two are the same consonants, like last week with supper, dinner, happy. And remember, this vowel sound is short. We're also going to have VCCV, where the two consonants are actually different consonants. So we're going to call, this one's called doublet, this one's going to be called different. But it's still going to have, this first V is still going to be short, a short sound. And we do have 2 oddballs this week. Okay, so let's start with the VCV with our long vowel sounds. There are 4 of them this week. We have silent, so I hear the I, so that means it's going to be one consonant before the other vowel. So again, silent is 2 syllables, silent. So where they connect, we see a VCV, vowel, consonant, vowel. So silent, female, I hear that E is long, so it's 1 M before the next vowel. Fever, I hear the long E, so it's 1 consonant before the next vowel, fever. And moment. A moment is kind of like a second, something quick. So mo, it's the long O sound. That means it's 1 M or consonant before the next vowel, moment. So silent, female, fever, moment. All right, so this is a review from last week, and so is this one. This time we're going to hear the short vowel sounds. And then the consonant is the same consonant written twice. That's why we call it a doublet. So we have happen, short A. So we have 2 P's before the EN. Happen, better. The E is short, so 2 T's before the ER. Follow, short O. So 2 consonants, 2 L's. Funny, short U. Oh my gosh. This is called, okay. Short U, so 2 N's. before the Y, which here is the E sound, so it is a vowel. Yellow, short E sound, so double the consonant before the next vowel. Pattern, the short A sound, so double the T before the next vowel. Bottom, short O sound, so double the T before the next vowel. And pillow, short I sound, P-I-L, so that next consonant is 2 L's before the next vowel. Pillow. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 VCCV words with the double consonant. That's why it's called a doublet. The next category is what is new this week. It's not a review from last week. It still has the short vowel sound. That first vowel you hear in the word is short, but the consonants that follow are kind of like either a blend or 2 different consonants. So let's take a look at our anchor word. The word is number. I hear the short U sound, So that means I need 2 consonants before my next vowel. Number. So MB are my 2 consonants before the E or the next vowel. All right, the other words are winter, short I. The 2 consonants are NT before our next vowel, ER. Winter. Problem. Our first vowel sound is short, pra. So we need 2 consonants after, BL, before the next vowel, problem. The other words are after. Here, that first vowel sound is the first letter, A. 2 consonants before the next vowel, after. We also have finger, sister, chapter, short A, so 2 consonants before the E or the next vowel. Member, blanket, and window. So I hear the short I sound. That means 2 consonants and D before the next vowel sound of O. All right, and like I said, we have 2 oddball words. We have water. Now, in the word water, it's not the long A sound. It's kind of like the short A sound a little bit. However, even though it has the short, it's only 1 consonant before the vowel. Where usually with the short vowel sounds, we double the consonant, except in water. And then the opposite is true for the next one. The word is only. I hear that long O to start it off. Only. Now, if you hear the long, we're used to 1 consonant before our vowel sound of the Y. However, in only, I have 2 different consonants before the vowel sound of the Y. So these 2 are oddball because they break the rules. Everything else follows the rules that we learned last week. So make sure you have all this written down correctly and that you're ready for your test on Friday.